at Victoria University, when you come, we will sit you in our classroom for 12 to 15 hours a week. Okay? A week has closer active hours, closer to 48 or even 50 if you wish. But for us, we are saying, please use only 15, up to 15 to be in the classroom. Receive this content. But the rest, do us a favor. Find a place where you can do something. And that is a requirement. If you can't, talk to our career readiness and employability program people to try and place you somewhere. Okay? Even if they are not paying you a penny, but they are paying you in kind, experience. Someone is downloading their lived experience in terms of professionalism, the work ethic, the etiquettes you are talking about. They are giving you an environment to learn how to live a professional world, the work environment, within the labor market kind of space. They are giving you that opportunity because at the end of your education, that's what you're looking for.
Yes.
When someone has advertised for position, they are going to say, we need 2, 3, 4, 5 years experience. At least you will graduate from Victoria University with 2, 3, 4 years of experience, without doubt. So that one is a given.
You're already prepared for the world where, so actually you've been in the world where you're going.
Like, for us, we believe and we implement this sentiment that education should mirror the real world.
Yes.
So if it is different from what you're going to do in the real world, then that education, I'm sorry, it is useless. Parents and you, the young people, run away from it. If an education will sit you somewhere for 3 years and you have 0 years of experience, the only thing you have to show is a credential called a transcript and a certificate. Just know that, for lack of a better word, that is an education scam.